Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover threads. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover thread module. We can start thread using start new thread method with parameter as function name, followed by argument tuple. Thread module is deprecated and replaced by threading module. In the next program, I am going to cover threading module, thread class. I have imported thread class from threading module. Created custom thread class, which inherits thread class. With constructor, which calls constructor of thread class, and assigns value to variables. And overrides run method of thread class, which is entry point for thread. From run method, I am calling my thread function. Created object for custom thread class. And starting the thread, using start method, which calls run method. Join method with optional timeout as parameter, waits for thread to terminate. We can check whether thread is alive, using isAlive method. We can get name of thread, using getName method. And set name for thread, using setName method. In the next program, I am going to cover synchronizing threads. I have imported lock class from threading module. Created object for lock class. Acquiring the lock to run thread synchronously, using acquire method. And releasing the lock, using release method. In the next program, I am going to cover queue module. I have created queue of size 9. Created 2 threads, with second parameter as queue. Starting the thread, using start method, which calls run method. And run method calls my thread function. Created list of 9 elements. And putting the elements in queue, using put method. Getting the elements from queue, inside my thread function, using get method. Till queue is not empty, based on flag, which will be set when queue is empty. We can check whether queue is empty, using empty method. Check whether queue is full, using full method. And get size of queue, using queueSize method. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Python program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.